Coming up, I will show you how you can optimize your content marketing efforts for lead generation. These 3 simple yet powerful tips will help you generate more leads for your company. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Unfortunately, there's no magic bullet for lead generation. It takes hard work, it takes smart work, it takes concentration on making it a priority for your marketing. If you don't focus on lead generation, your value as a marketer will suffer. The first place to start with lead generation is to create excellent content. That's how you generate more leads. Better content equals better leads. It seems simple, but it's tough to implement. Let's discuss how you can optimize your content so your target audience will read, watch, and listen to your subject matter expertise. Here are 3 tips for ensuring your content generates more leads. Number 1, improve your titles and headlines. Content starts with your titles. If they are boring, you won't get your readers to be excited about your subject matter. The headline is the most critical part of your content. You must write your headline before you write your subject matter. What's the reason why your audience should care about your content? What's the benefit for them to spend time on your content? Is it to overcome a fear they have? Is it to save time and money? To help you create better headlines, do your research to find out how your title is different than others. Do a quick Google search with your headline. What do you see? Next, make sure you have a process for collecting your best ideas. You never know when and where your perfect headline will pop into your head. Most likely will happen in the shower. Have a process for remembering your brilliant headline ideas. After you capture your ideas, let them sit. Have them marinate like soaking food such as chicken in seasoning before cooking it on the grill. Marinated food tastes better, and so do marinated headlines. After you do your research, collect your ideas and let them marinate, write more of them. You should write at least 5 headlines every day. First impressions matter. You'll be judged on your headline. That's the difference between generating more leads from your content or not. Number 2, repurpose your content. If you create a big, hefty piece of content such as an ebook or white paper, you have an opportunity to repurpose the subject matter expertise into different forms. You can create a blog post from the content. You can create a checklist. To get in front of potential customers, you need a healthy mix of content in different formats on different topics. Slice and dice your content subject matter expertise into other forms. You can turn a webinar into a blog post or a white paper. You can take some form of the content from your white paper and add it into your newsletter. You have many options to repurpose content. The key is to do it aggressively and consistently. Make sure your content is not a one-hit wonder. Repurpose each piece of content into at least 3 different formats. You already created the content, so it shouldn't require a lot of heavy lifting to repurpose. Remember, more content equals more leads. Number 3, include a call to action in all of your content. Everyone puts a call to action on every piece of content, right? No, many marketers don't do this. It is a missed opportunity. For every piece of content you create, you should think about what the CTA will be. It would help if you create a CTA strategy that works best for you. Come up with your top 3 to 5 common call to action, such as visiting your website, subscribing to your email newsletter, or scheduling a demo. An excellent template to use is to learn more about insert topic, please insert action such as download, visit, read, subscribe, schedule, etc. Figure out what you want your target audience to do after they consume your content. If you take the trouble to create your content, you should take the trouble to figure out where the conversation should go next. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. There are 3 simple ways to generate more leads with your content. Improve your headlines, repurpose your content, and include a call to action in every piece of content. These tips will help you optimize your content for lead generation. Lead generation takes a lot of hard work. The key is to make it a top priority and create excellent content. Thank you for watching. Until next time.